Hello, e-economy family, and welcome to our July 11th mentorship. This is going to be a short video explaining how to add the alerts to your MetaTrader so that you can receive them on your phone. That way you don't need to be in front of the computer all the time. You can place your alert on MetaTrader and then you will receive it on your phone, wherever you are. So let's go straight to the way of doing it. And so you have on the screen to the right is just a MetaTrader 4, and then I have to the left my phone. This is my phone. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to go up here, up to the left where it says quotes. There's 3 horizontal lines. Maybe for you it's going to be on the right. Depends on the type of phone you have. But once you click on this 3 horizontal lines, it's going to take you to several what's it called, options. So click on settings right here. Now on settings, move all the way down, go down, and you're going to see here on messages, it says MetaQuotes ID. So click here or save it, write it on a piece of paper, whatever you need to do, but this ID, you need it. This ID is unique for every phone. And this is the ID that you need to link to MetaTrader. So MetaTrader knows where to send you the alert. So I'm going to copy this link. Now, the next step, you go to MetaTrader and on the top, there's a tool tab right here, tools, and then go to options, and then go to notifications right here. Now, you need to have this enabled push notifications. So if you want to enable this one also, this is going to notify of trade transactions when anytime your trade is activated or placed, every time you do something related to a transaction, to a trade transaction, is going to notify you. So right here where it says MetaQuotes ID, this is where you need to put your ID from your phone. Now, if you have 2 phones, let's say that you and your wife or your friend both want to receive the same alert, you just separate them with a comma, and that's it. You can place here the new ID, and that's all. Once you set up your IDs here, click on the test button, and you will see, remember, this is my phone right here to the left. Look what's going to happen when I click on the test button. There we go. I got a test message. Okay, easy. So now, because I received this test message, so that means that they're the link correctly. So you just click OK, and that's it. It's already set up. Now, to place an alert, what you need to do is click the right button on your mouse, any place on the screen, and right here, the second option, which is trading, then go to alert right here. And there, that's the alert. The alert, you can move it up or down, whatever you want to set it up. But also, in order to make it this is an alert that you want to make a notification. So it goes to your phone. So you need to right click on the alert and click on modify. And now you need to be sure that it's enabled right here. And then here where it says action, instead of sound, change it to notification, okay? Now, if you leave it as sound, you're gonna receive the notification here in your computer. So if you're not in front of your computer, most likely you will not hear the sound. So click, select notification, and then that's all you need to do here. Do again a test, and let's see if it goes to the phone. There we go. That's the notification that we got on the phone. You see? And that's all. That's all we need to do. Now, remember, you can move it up or down. I'm going to place it close to the market price to see if it gets activated right here. This is in real time. This is the real market price. Let's see if I can, small move can activate it. We'll see. So you can see how it goes again to the phone. This will be in real time. Now, also, you can put here the value where you want the alert or notification to activate. And that's basically it. I hope it goes down a little bit so you can see it, but even if it doesn't activate, we already saw it when we click on the test button, right? So that's the way to do it. It's easy, it's simple. This is gonna help you stay off the screen more time. You know, we want Forex to be fun. We want to eliminate the most of the stress that we can obtain by becoming a trader, right? So this is a very good tool that you can use. So right there, it looks like it got activated. Got activated for some reason. I didn't get the message here. Probably I deleted instead of notification. I left it as sound. Yeah, that could be. Let's see, modify sound. Yeah, it wasn't sound. Notification. Okay. And let's do it again right there. Now, the other thing that I want to show you is down here, basically is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the sixth icon. There we go. The notification got activated and we got the notification on the phone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the sixth icon right here. This is called terminal. Go down here, double click, and then you're gonna see this alert tab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth one from left to right. And then you're gonna see all the alerts that have been activated in the past. So you can delete it by selecting them and press the delete key, and that's it. Select, delete. Because if you leave it, I think it's around 50 alerts. That when you have 50 alerts, then it's not gonna let you place any more alerts, just in case. You know, it could happen after a couple of months or a couple of weeks, depends how many alerts you put. But now you know how to clean everything. So this is today's video. This is mentorship for July 11. So I'll see you in the next video and hope you like and you see that this video is useful. Take care. Blessings to everyone.